Alright, so the wife is going to come up here and we're going to take this hill together. When I get my new tires, I'm going to defeat that hill right there. But this is going to be a cool one, me and the wife going up here.
Okay. Update. Update. He attempted this thing with me on it. And we flipped it.
Oh God.
Do I trust you? Nope.
He probably broke his quad again.
Kill me?
Say that again. Say that again.
Hill.
Say that again. Start over.
Okay, you two. So my wife is going to kill me. We attempted that hill. I saved her life.
I think she saved yours.
The first one went up no problem. That second one, we got hit. I hit a rock, but the extra weight on the back, I think, which turned the bike over. But we were able to get out of it, all right.
All of 80 pounds.
I'm gonna try it by myself.
Oh my God. Goodbye. He's gonna attempt it again.
I think I loosened it up, Kev. What do you think? I think I loosened it up.
Yeah, I think we did a good job. Let's go make dinner.
Yeah, let's go make dinner.
Good choice.